Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So till now we completed lots of project in the scratch, right? So we did lots of project. So now we will start one another thing, which is your app development. How you will develop any application, okay? So we have some platform, we have some websites. By using that, you can create any mobile application. So what is first thing? What is mobile application? So in our mobile phone, we have a sub apps, right? We have our, for example, YouTube, we have a Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter. This all are the mobile applications, okay? So now we will see how you will create all those applications, okay? So for that, we have one website which is Thunkable. So you need to just search for Thunkable, press your enter button. You will get the link which is thunkable.com. So you have to just click on that. Over here first, it will ask you, you have to log in. So you need to just click on this login button. So it will give you some option, which is either you can sign in with your Google or sign in with your Apple or sign in with your email. So suppose if you have your Gmail ID, so you can just sign in with your Google. Suppose I want to sign in with my one of the account. So once you will click on that, it will give you this interface. Over here, you can create your project. Okay. So now I will show you how you will create for any project. So you need to just click on this create new application. Over here, you have to write down your project name. Suppose I want the project name as a test. Here we can select any category. So whatever category you want for your project, you can select. So you can select more than one category also. And you need to just click on this create button. So in this way, we can log in the Thunkable and you can create your project. So in this video, you learn how you will how you will sign in your Thunkable. So in the next session, we will see in our next video, we will see how you will create some projects in the Thunkable, how you will create your mobile application, okay? So thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe our video and press the bell icon if you want more latest update, okay? So thank you so much.